In the field of CNC machining, precision and efficiency are key. RenAn provides a comprehensive CNC training courses and assessment system to help learners and industry professionals quickly master practical skills and enhance their competitiveness. RenAn CNC simulation software covers CNC training from basic to advanced levels, supporting multiple controllers such as Fanuc, Siemens, Mitsubishi, and Heidenheim. It is complemented by interactive learning courses that allow students to practice proficiently in a virtual environment. There are 5 key advantages of RenAn CNC training and assessment system. First, enhancing learning efficiency. RenAn CNC training system employs interactive simulation to help learners quickly grasp CNC programming and machine operations. Its real-time feedback mechanism detects coding errors and operational mistakes, accelerating the learning process. The system offers multiple level training, from beginner to advanced applications, catering to learners of all skill levels. Second, standardized exam assessment. The built-in automatic scoring system ensures fair assessment, reducing human error in grading. A unified examination standard enhances training consistency, while comprehensive learning reports allow educators and corporate managers to analyze student performance and export exam results for batch management. Third, suitable for schools and corporate training. CNC training courses are widely used in technical education and corporate training programs. They help students pass skill certification exams while improving the CNC skills of company employees. The system is compatible with various CNC controllers, offering flexible adaptability to different institutions and reducing training costs. Fourth, multiple computer exam support for increased efficiency. CNC assessment system supports simultaneously exams on multiple computers. For example, 30 computers can be used by 30 students at the same time, minimizing rotation time and improving learning efficiency. Additionally, teachers don't need to individually monitor or grade students, as the system automatically records and evaluates students' performance, enhancing the overall learning experience. Fifth, safe simulation to reduce equipment wear and tear. The system's virtual simulation feature enables students to practice without operating physical machines, significantly reducing safety risks. It also minimizes machine wear and tear, lowering maintenance costs and extending equipment lifespan. The real-time error detection function allows students to identify and correct mistakes in a simulated environment, preventing damage caused by incorrect operation on real machines. CNC assessment system not only enhances technical skills but also provides learning certificates as proof of professional competency, supporting career development. If you are interested in learning more, feel free to contact us and join us in cultivating skilled professionals for the smart manufacturing era. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.